So I've been called out to a job today at Lavender Hill, and customers been getting crackles on the line and lots of problems with stuff, the phone's dropping out and that. Anyway, as you can see from this socket here, look at the corrosion in that. Super corroded. So I'm just going to sort of bypass this because they don't want a socket out here now. I'm just going to just to bypass it, get rid of it, because obviously there's some water issues here. So yep, just going to join those cables up and then that should be good, and then we'll be back working again 100%. Bye. So this Lavender Hill job, basically there was three problems. Firstly, we had a corroded socket down here. This is where that duck phone quack was plugged into. So the phone's okay. So we're going to bypass that socket. Then there was also this problem which I just showed you before with this socket. I didn't even realise I had. So that one there was super corroded, as you can see. Look at that, she's fallen to bits. So basically I'd say the corrosion somehow has got inside this cable which goes out towards the kitchen. So we're taking this socket off completely. I'm going to put those cables there under the carpet and just completely remove that socket. But that cable, then we had to swap to the second pair of this one as well. So there's three faults on this while you're getting crackles. So now swapped it over to the second pair which goes out to the kitchen. And the socket out here. And so the socket under here, and now we've got a nice clear dial tone, don't we? Yeah.